Here in 2022, there's still a lot of skepticism about cryptocurrency and its validity. While there was a major bull run for cryptocurrencies in 2021, 2022 has seen a large decline for crypto alongside a declining stock market. There are almost weekly claims that suggest crypto is a fad, and others that say it'll boom in the coming decade. So while experts make their claims one way or the other, we're going to shed some light today on a few trends that suggest that crypto is here to stay. Say what you will about crypto being a fad, but one thing's for sure, people are starting to believe. Bitcoin price has increased by 10,000%, and more than 300,000 people have Bitcoin. That's quite an increase on both fronts. So not only is the value increasing, but interested investors are starting to get curious enough to put some skin in the game. The impressive stats don't stop there though. The total cryptocurrency value in 2021 was 2.43 trillion USD. More than 12,000 cryptocurrencies exist now, and there are over 34,000 crypto ATMs in the United States alone. This suggests that not only is the cryptocurrency market growing, but it's thriving with more people interested and more crypto options available than ever before. Going back even further in time, Bitcoin price has grown more than 540,000% since 2012, when it was valued at scarcely over $1. Although it's worth mentioning that growth was fairly limited until 2018, where it then skyrocketed to above $10,000. It then dipped below the $10,000 mark and took another 3 years to cross its previous best. It then went on to another high in 2020 of just shy of $30,000, with an all-time high of over $67,000. Today, it's easier than it's ever been to get in on the crypto game, with lots of apps making it possible to invest in crypto. And not only is it easy to invest, but there are even a good number of businesses accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos as payment, as companies specialize in trading crypto. With all these statistics in mind, it's safe to say that the world is not only embracing cryptocurrency, but it's paving a path for it to be successful. Because of this, we're going to be keeping an eye on it and how it changes the world around you. Eventually, we believe it will come to affect all of our lives in a positive way. Knowing about it now will be crucial to how you can benefit from it in the future.